There is a small country in Europe that most people are not aware of, and people are quietly moving to this country. It has become one of the best and the hot spot for people who are into tech, international workers, and in fact people who are looking for one of the smartest way to move to Europe. So if you're looking for one of the easiest way and the smartest way to move to Europe this year, then this video is for you. If you see me for the first time, my name is Grace Ola, and here I share with you tips that helps you move abroad either through work or study. So if this is something you like to hear, don't forget to like, share my videos, and do well to subscribe as well. So today let's talk about a country that is very much underestimated, a country that is in Europe. It is small but mighty. It is one of the easiest way to move abroad because most people don't actually pay attention to this country. Most people focus on big countries like UK, countries like Germany, Canada, but most people actually overlook this country. So today we'll be talking about a country called Estonia. Estonia. So over the years, Estonia has become one of the most digitalized countries in Europe. In fact, you can access almost all services online. Amongst other things, they are known for their friendly nature. It has e-residency that gives you opportunity to run businesses online. If you have heard about companies like Bolt and Skype, Estonia is where their headquarters can be found. And amongst other things, they are known for their friendly nature, very welcoming to migrants. They are clean. They've got a good work-life balance. And the most fascinating thing for me is that where it is situated, you can easily move across Europe from one place to another. Okay, now let me run you through their website quickly. So the main popular roles in Estonia are IT, engineering, finance, startup. Okay, and when you secure a job, you can get your work permit in about 10 to 40 days. Okay, so within 10 to 40 days, your employer can issue you a work permit, and then you can start making your process to make your way to Estonia. Does that make sense? All right, so let me take you to the website quickly. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and type work in Estonia. Work in Estonia. And the first thing you want to do is to scroll down. You want to scroll down and then choose the one that has got a blue icon like this one. All right, you click on that. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to a page like this. So you're going to see everyday life, work life, relocation, news, international house. So you want to click on where it says international house. International house. So it says the International House of Estonia is here to help. Whether you have already arrived or are planning to come to Estonia, you can find a wide range of essential information and consultation services to get you quickly acquainted. So basically, if you want to know anything about moving to Estonia, you click on where it says International House and you are going to get every information that you need to get yourself well abreast with everything regarding moving to Estonia. Is that okay? All right, so you can see it says one-stop shop for information, international talent in Estonia, the families and pets welcome, all services available in English. So I'll leave that for you to read. Okay, now we have everyday life as well. If you want to read everything regarding the life there, you can click that. Then we have relocation. So if you click on relocation as well, then you go to where it says for non-EU citizens. So you see, so you can stay in Estonia for up to 3 months, 3 to 12 months, and then 12 months upward. So you see, if you want to know everything before you arrive, for short-term workers, arrival to-do list, we have banking, we have tax residency, and all that. All right, so now let's go to what we are interested in, which is the jobs, how to find jobs. So you want to click on where it says work life. So when you click on work life, you click on jobs, and there are lots and lots of jobs here. As you can see, Remember I said that the work that are in high demand is engineer, okay, IT and engineer. So you're gonna see lots and lots of jobs that are on IT, engineering, you know. Yeah, so if you click on load more, you're gonna see lots and lots and lots, guys, lots and lots of jobs. All right, so let's click on one of this and see what we have. Let's click on one of these. Which one should we choose? Okay, so let's choose probably software engineer. Software engineer. All right, so when you click on that, if this is not in English, you quickly turn it to English, but it's already in English. So you want to read the job description and see what they require of you. So as you can see, this was posted, that was just today. This is a very fresh vacancy that was just posted today. All right, that was just posted on the 23rd of April. So, and it expires in 1 month. So you have 1 month to do your application. All right, so you say what you will do. That these are the things that is required of you. The qualifications, can you see? Strong proficiency in Microsoft Business Central Development. And I'll leave that for you to read. You can see the additional information for everyone, everywhere, and you can read the rest for yourself. So what you want to do is to click on where it says apply now. All right, fill in all this information and then you log in to create an account, and then it would allow you to apply. Either ways, you can also continue with Google and then create an account. I mean, you continue with Google and then use your Google account to sign up before you can apply. Is that okay? All right, so that is it for work in Estonia. All right, now let's go to the next website, which is CV Keskus. Okay, CV Keskus. This is how the page is going to look like. So you want to change it first to English. Okay, so it's already in English. All right, so you want to make use of either the location, the search by category, or you type the keyword. That is probably, if you are an accountant, you type in an accountant. If you're an engineer, you type in an engineer. Okay, but I usually always don't want to streamline the search. Okay, I don't usually want to streamline the search, so I always leave it like that. Right, so let's click on one of them and see. Probably let's click on senior product design, public work. Can you see that? And that is from Bolt. All right, that is from Bolt. So for CV Keskus, they are very they are known for roles like logistics and warehouse. Okay, so if you are into logistics or warehouse, you are likely to find a job on CV Keskus. So for CV Keskus and work in Estonia, all these apps or all these websites are all intertwined. Okay, so you realize that when I was on work in Estonia and I was trying to sign up so that I can apply for that particular job I showed you, it redirected me to CV Keskus. So they are all actually intertwined. All right, so you can see this one is, you see the role, then we have the main tasks and responsibilities. Can you see that? And then if you want to read about the job, this is it. All right, and then if you want to apply, you just click on apply now. So you can see the job was posted just today and you have 1 month to apply, and the location is in Tallinn, Arjuma, and the job type is full-time. So now just to let you know that for CV Keskus for Estonia, they are not going to state it categorically or specifically that they are offering visa sponsorship. Most often they're not going to state it there for you to know that they're offering visa sponsorship. It is when you get the job that the employer now offers you relocation support. Okay, it is a form of relocation support, but this particular one is different from UK, where they just state there categorically or specifically that visa sponsorship. Here you might not see that there is there's gonna be sponsorship, but when you apply, the employer now gives you a form of support, which in this case is termed as relocation support. All right, yeah, I hope that is clear. So the same thing, you fill in all this, you log in or you sign up, and then you can apply. All right, so that is it. And then we have another one, CVEE. So this is how the website look like, and then you want to click on where it says company website. So it's going to redirect you properly to where you're going to apply for a job. Okay, so you want to change it to English. All right, good. So that is changed. So you want to just scroll down and see. So these are all the companies that are hiring on this website. So we've got Lumina, we've got Big Bank, we've got Nordia, lots and lots. We've got Lidl. Lidl is one big company in the United Kingdom and other places. They've got so many branches all across Europe, lots and lots. So let's click on Lidl and let's see what they have. Let's click on Lidl and see what they have for us. Good. So can you see that lots and lots of jobs? Okay, or either ways, you can actually also put in the location here, probably let's say Tallinn, and then add a keyword, let's say engineer. It says there are 44 jobs. Can you see that? So we have mechanical engineer, we have senior QA engineer, we have senior analytics, that is from Bolt. We have senior reactive native engineer, lots and lots, guys. So let's click on one of them and see what they have to offer. So let's click on senior QA engineer. So you see their role: you assist in testing product features of all stages of development to ensure quality and functionality. I'll leave that for you to read. So these are the details. So let's click on the company. So this is all about the company, and then you go back to the details if you want. Can you see that? And then if you want to apply, you just click on apply now. You click on apply now, and then you fill in all this information: your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and then you upload your CV. Guys, this is where it is very important. Make sure that your CV is in a European format, please. It's very, very important. And then you tick this box, and then you submit your application. All right, before I continue, I've got good news for you. If you want to move abroad and avoid guesswork and avoid wasting your money and wasting your precious time, well, this might be one of the best videos you watch today. So many people want to move abroad, but they don't know the exact step to take. They don't even know which route is best for them or is realistic. And because there are so many information online, it makes so many people confused, and they end up with scammers and people who pose as agents. Some people also end up applying for wrong visas, whereby wasting their money. Well, I've got a solution to this, because I have made an ebook that is a step-to-step guide to relocating abroad, either through work, either through study, either through the visitor's visa. I call this book Dream to Departure because it is literally a guide that would make your dream come into a reality. This ebook covers 5 major countries. We have Canada, we have United Kingdom, Portugal, Australia, and Germany. In this ebook, you're going to find real websites that you can apply to. You'll find agencies that are actively recruiting all over. You're going to find different visa routes that you can explore and know which one best fits your role or situation. In this ebook, I have simplified all these countries that makes it easier for you to choose the best country that suits you. And on top of that, you're going to find the common mistakes to avoid to get your visa rejected. Not just that alone, in this ebook I have added free cover letter and CV templates of all these countries that I have mentioned that will make it easier for you to make your applications stand out, which means you're not just learning, but you're actually taking action to make your way to your dream country. So if you're really serious about moving abroad this year and changing your location, go to the description and click the link to download your e-copybook right now. No guesswork, no trial and error, just real information that will get you started. Just one decision you make can change your life completely. Download that ebook right now and thank me later. That is it for CVE. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. I'm always more than willing to answer all your questions. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my very next video. Until then, bye guys.